Welcome, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A12 and today I'll show you how we can install tempered glass on the smartphone. So with the first we have to open our tempered glass box. For sure we can find here the tempered glass and the two wipes. The first one is wet and the second is dry. We are going to use for the first the wet. So just clean your screen. We have to remove fingerprints, dust and other stuff from our display. And right now we have to move to the second wipe. So as you can see right now it looks much better. And of course we have to take a look and remove the dust from the screen, because when we leave, even the one piece of the dust will get the air bubbles under our screen protector, so of course we don't want to get it. Right now it looks really good, so right now we have to grab our tempered glass and remove this foil. So we have to make it like that. If this sticker doesn't come with the foil, you have to put your nail on the edge of the tempered glass like that, and then it will be removed easily, right? It sometimes happens, you know, it's very cheap, so... And as you can see, unfortunately, right here, I don't know if you see it. Oh, I think that right now we can see it. Here we got, it's probably the part of the air under the glass. On the opposite side, it sticks right here. So it will be very hard to remove this one. I can recommend you to use some kind of the sticker or the duct tape. So what we can do right now with this one, I will try to use the wet wipe. Okay, and it comes with the wet wipe. Much easier. Okay, I think that right now we will get for the 100% some piece of the dust on the second side of the tempered glass because of this action. As you can see, it comes back, this hair here. So definitely you have to use some kind of the duct tape or the stickers to remove something like that, because with the wipes or your finger, it's impossible to make it, right? Okay, it doesn't look good, but I don't want to waste that glass. Just take a look on the screen another time. A few pieces of the dust pop on the screen, so we have to remove it, and then when it's done, we have to grab our protector, then put the upper section on our display, keep holding the bottom part. And right now I think that it looks fine, so we can try to put the bottom part of the screen. So press with your finger right here and then put the bottom part. And as you can see, after a few moments it goes almost automatically. And right now we have to use our second wipe to clean screen. And as you can see, it is finished. Right now we can turn on our screen, and as you can see, everything is fine with the screen sensitivity. It works really good, so we don't have to worry about anything. And right now we don't have to be afraid of the scratches or the breaks, because we are protected with this tempered glass. And thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!